नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, बैंक पेंशन अपडेशन के संबंध में जो वर्तमान स्थिति है, प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन है, उसके हिसाब से क्या क्या फैक्ट्स हैं उसके बारे में जानकारी श्री कॉमरेड बसंत बानकुड़े ने दिया। पहला, इन MC सिंगला केस full day hearing for IOB is scheduled on 1st March 24. It was preponed on 25th January 24 and again adjourned on 30th February 24. Second point, in Delhi High Court, IBA seems to have filed their report on pension updation. Third, Delhi High Court has to give verdict on report to SC immediately after receipt of IBA's report. Fourth, accounting for scheduled IOB hearing as of 1st March 24 in Supreme Court will give judgment somewhere in March 24. Fifth, beside this, in SBI pensioner case, Supreme Court has given hearing date in May 24 and is 2nd May 24. Sixth, in Kolhapur 12th PPS stay case, Mumbai High Court has given 8 weeks adjournment to IBA appeal. Now the Canara Bank appeal challenging authority of Kolhapur court is scheduled on 29 January 24. Since DFS and Labour Commissioner Delhi is also party to the appeal and EOBU has failed to appear in Kolhapur court, it is likely that stay may be granted by Kolhapur court on 12 February 24. Seventh, in Kolhapur criminal case, police has issued summons for last time and they are to submit report by 30th January 24. Thereafter, NBW is likely be issued. Any non-bailable warrant is likely to be issued by the court. In the meantime, IB and EOBU as negotiating parties under BPS have already signed MOU. By signing an MOU, they have acted illegally, hence the agreement may not be signed. Since IBA has been calling EOBU for various meetings and EOBU being a party to stay petition never bothered to appear in the case, stay shall be effective from the date of filing the stay application. Hence, even the parties sign the 12th bipartite settlement without resolving 11 bipartite residual issues, the 12th bipartite will not be implemented. Hence, as predicted by Mr. Bhargav, they cannot sign joint note after 25th January 24. SBI pensioner case is also pending in Supreme Court and next hearing date for a case pertaining to retrospective effect updation is given on 1st May 24. Keeping in view all these factors, even after Kerala High Court judgment on 7th February 24, updation issue, if at all, is concluded with SC judgment in March 24, the payment may be linger till May 24. Regarding right of modifying regulations by the parties with the help of joint note at any time seems remote, since joint note has no force of law. So be assured that we'll have to drop the idea of payment of ex gratia and start thinking of the payment of pension revision on RBI line only. बसंत बानकुड़े। सारे स्थितियों का आकलन करते हुए कोर्ट केसेस किन किन डेटों में क्या क्या होने की संभावना है, इसको व्यक्त करते हुए श्री बसंत बानकुड़े ने कहा कि एक्स ग्रेसिया का चांसेस बहुत रिमोट है। अब आप वेट करिए पेंशन रिवीजन RBI लाइन के लिए। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार।